Good morning, everybody who are watching this video. We are basically guess what we are doing right now. Here is a plan that is some of the proposed building and some of the existing school buildings. Now we will discuss what is the need of this plan and why we are doing this. As you all know that we are the members of Nurturing and Socratic Learning Group and working together for the change, and we have picked up the government schools because school is the backbone of village. Let's discuss what is the mindset to frame the plan. Let's move from the bottom. There is a road. As you see, there is a road that is going towards Sisana and that is going towards Farmana. Here it is a government school. This building is the proposed government girls senior secondary school building, and this is government primary school building. Now, as we move from here, let's discuss the existing building. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 number of blocks of existing buildings, in which block 1, 2, that these are already condemned. This block need to be condemned very soon. Then we left with this only this existing block, and this will remain same because these are very new blocks. Adjoining with this existing block there is a toilet block. So what we are planning to reframe the structures, to construct new idea how to plan a very well structure in a very short interval of time. That might not be of 1 or 2 years, it can be of 8 or 10 years. So this is the main cause. Here is about 6.5 acre land that is vacant, and what we are planning, we will go from here. After some time this kitchen will be demolished. This will be the plan. Like if I want to enter from this road, I will move my car from here. I will move, then I'll park my car here only. If I'll park my car here only, then I can go to the government primary school from this way. After parking my car, I'll go to the school this way. There are 1 classroom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classrooms, attached toilets, room of headmaster, staff room, and including some recreational room. Although staircase is also present, and in the basement there is a hall for multi-purpose activities. This was the whole scenario of the school. Now, if children want to play, there is a lawn, green lawn, that is green area. This is the paved path, and this is the play area where students, small kids can play. There is a splash pool as you are looking over it. There is a sand pit for the children. This is also the play area for multiple games. Now we will move further. This is the parking. Now if we will discuss, just behind the existing school there is a stage for holding various activities. Green area, that is for sitting of students, and whenever it is needed by the villagers, it can be used also. Now we will move further. After parking our car, I am moving there. This is the Kho ground. This is proposed Kho ground. Adjoining to it is volleyball ground. Then this is a lawn tennis ground. Here is a basketball ground. It is the kabaddi ground, and this is the open gym for the villagers in off school hours. Now there is another portion. This is the library portion. In the school time, it can be utilized by the students who are studying in the school, but after school time it can be utilized by the brilliant students of village to sit and study over here. Now there is a kitchen garden, and we can grow various vegetables that is used in midday meal scheme, that can be utilized by the teaching and non-teaching staff for preparing their midday meals for the students and themselves. Now there is a lawn also, and parking for the bikes and scooters. We can move from this park and utilize the library. Next, move towards the another portion. There is a, what is this? This is the football ground, and football ground, that is a spacious football ground, and adjoining to it is running track of 400 meters. If a runner will move from here and will circulate this path, then he will cover 400 meters in a one round, and if he covers two rounds, then he will cover 800 meters simultaneously, and so on and so forth. This is the Khanda Road, and one approach for this school building, for the library, for kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, tennis, basketball, and other playgrounds. This is. Now, what about this? These are the toilet blocks for the villagers who can come, park their vehicles, and utilize it from the outside without interfering in the school premises. This was the whole scenario. Something is missing, and we are planning. What we are planning right now, there is a government primary school. Now there can be the two sections. One is for government girls schools. Here can be the government boys schools, and that is the partition. So we can utilize this, like this is government girl senior secondary school, government boys senior secondary school. So boys of our village can study over here without going to Sisana, Farmana or nearby villages. This was the whole scenario, and we are planning that these buildings will be demolished after year, like after 5 or 6 years, and we are planning for a very well infrastructures in which our students, our school students can study very cool, and teachers can enjoy this luxury environment as well. If government will support, then we can do this in 10 years, because this is all is a 10-year plan. Thank you so much for watching the video, and thanks a lot.